And hello, good day to everyone. Today I want to go back to tortilla. I mean the tortilla recipe that we had the last 2 weeks ago, if you remember. There's simply lots of recipe that we can make out of this tortilla. I mean a simple recipe that we can finish in 5 minutes or 10. And this is probably the cheapest commodity that we can get from supermarket nowadays. Let's say you're thinking about healthy eating, so you bought spinach, but you cannot finish the whole bag. And then you have cheese at home, like feta cheese, which is our project today. And surely you have there in your kitchen the tomato and some egg. So with that unmentioned, I would like to suggest this recipe which we can finish in no time. So what are you waiting for? Lend me your ears and listen and watch. Without further blah blah blah, let's start. Let's boil some water and put our spinach. No matter how much spinach you have, spinach when you cook, it will shrink anyway. What I mean to say is not overcook. Of course, we need to blanch the spinach because it's hard to manage the unblanched or unwilled spinach. After chopping the spinach, we are going to crumble our feta cheese and mix it together with the spinach and set aside for later use. Now we're going to chop our tomato, spring onion, divide it into two, white part and green part. The green part will be, we'll fry the white part first on a shallow pan or non-stick pan. Yeah, that is the white part. Then after that, after 2 minutes, followed by green parts. And then we will add this chopped tomato. We will add the egg as well. And then this in turn become like an omelette, but we need to cook the other side as well. So we turn it, put it in the plate, and then turn upside down. Now we're going to cook the other side as well. Now both sides are cooked. Now we're going to place our mixed spinach and feta now on top of the omelette or our egg. Flatten it and scatter it all over the plate in the whole round shape. And then now we're going to put our cheese. We have cheddar cheese or mozzarella cheese. So now we got the two cheeses, and then we will put our tortilla wrap, which is exactly the same size. And now we're going to turn our omelette with the wrap now. The wrap now is underneath, so it will be toasted and the cheese will be melted in the process. Now going this side, we're going to add our mozzarella or cheddar cheese. This not only flavored our food, but also serve as a binder for our tortilla wrap that we're going to top on this side. Now we are going to turn this one again on the other side to toast this. We recently add the tortilla, and then we're going to turn this one several times back and forth to toast both sides and to melt the cheese in the process. The cheese underneath the tortilla. Actually, it's entirely up to you on how many times you turn this one back and forth, because if you see the texture that is toast enough, then you can eat it and start slicing it and ready to eat, because this one is already done. And while he's busy slicing our tortilla, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you very much for coming here. And if this is your first time, please do subscribe, comment and share my video. Your support really inspired me to keep going, despite the we've been doing this for 3 to 4 years already, I think, and our progress is so slow. Anyway, so thank you very much. And we're going to prepare our tortilla now. I hope you like my recipe today. I hope to see you next time. Until then, I love you all. Bye bye.